Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken curry, easy method. Start by prepping onions, garlic, ginger, and spices, then brown chicken in oil until golden. Add tomatoes and coconut milk, simmer gently for tender meat and rich sauce. Finish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and adjust salt to taste. Serve over steamed rice or with warm flatbread for a comforting, simple meal the whole family will enjoy. Gather these ingredients before you start to keep cooking smooth and relaxed. Use boneless chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, coconut milk, and your favorite curry powder. Include whole spices like cumin and coriander for depth, plus salt and pepper to taste. Measure spices and adjust heat with chili or cayenne. Fresh cilantro and lime finish the dish, balancing richness with bright acidity for a well-rounded curry. Serve immediately and enjoy. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless kitchen cleanups. It's a perfect companion after cooking messy curries and saves time on spills and crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by frying onions until translucent to build flavor and aroma for the curry. Add garlic, ginger, and whole spices, frying briefly to release oils. Stir in curry powder and tomatoes, cooking until oil separates and flavors concentrate. Add chicken pieces and coconut milk, then simmer gently until the meat is cooked through and tender. Adjust seasoning and finish with cilantro, letting the curry rest briefly before serving. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.